Get strong.
Are you looking for a transfer that blends vibrant pinks and deep purples into one unforgettable piece of art? Say hello to our breathtaking purple sunset floral butterfly. It's a stunning tapestry of layered blossom. This unique artistic look is perfect for creating sophisticated apparel, accessories, and immediate eye catcher for any collection. Two great options: Eco Solvent for vibrant color and durability, or Sublimation 3-packs for amazing value on apparel and physical items. Stop waiting. Grab this gorgeous, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunctions.com. Plus, enjoy free and fast delivery on your order. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.